You wouldn't believe how long some of these limos are. Today's video is on the top 5 longest limousines in the world. Number 5. What we're looking at here is the longest Ferrari ever seen. It was custom designed by a luxury car company in England and is available to rent for weddings, proms, and other special events. Number 4. The pink stretch limo sure is a sight to behold. This limousine can seat up to 26 people and is more like a bus than a limousine. It is owned by an exotic car company in St. Louis, which leases the vehicle for parties and other events. Number 3. The most popular car in Russia is the Lada, and so it's not surprising the longest limo in Russia is the Lada stretch limousine. I'm not sure if that looks very safe. Number 2. The triple axle stretched Hummer is the longest Hummer in the world and the second longest limousine that we've seen. This vehicle has multiple side entrances to accommodate a party of up to 32 people. Inside the vehicle is a massive party room with a dance floor and luxury seating. Apparently, it costs quite a lot of money to rent, but will sure serve as a memorable ride. Before we move on to number 1, here's a double axle stretched Hummer which was built with a second floor. That looks like a lot of fun. Okay, number 1. The world record for the longest limo is held by Jay Ortberg, who designed a limo 100 feet in length. Jay's vision was to recreate the American dream in the form of a car, and I think he accomplished his goal. Inside, you'll find all sorts of luxuries, including a jacuzzi with a diving board, an indoor putting green, a bar, and a cinema room. It is also the only limo to have its own helicopter landing pad situated in the back of the vehicle. Now that's pretty insane. Jay received international attention back in 1992 when his limousine was completed. 26 years later, the limo is now in a state of disrepair, but it will always serve as a reminder of what can be accomplished if you put your mind to it. If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy my previous upload on the longest trucks in the world. And in the meantime, be sure to subscribe for more.